Hi, I'm Jared. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we're going to make blueberry syrup. So what I've done is I've gotten 3 cups of blueberries. 3 cups is, I'll put the metrics and the subtitles down below. I'm going to put that in my saucepan. 1 cup, which is 240 milliliters of water, and 1 cup, 240 milliliters of sugar. Now, I'm going to take this to the stove. We'll see you there. I'm going to put this mixture on a low heat. And I'm going to stir it continuously to dissolve the sugar. Now that the sugar is dissolved, I'm going to raise it to a medium heat. And I'm going to bring it to a gentle boil. And I'm going to stir it occasionally for as it boils, for about 10 minutes. I start my timer. And we'll see in a little bit. Mild correction, I started the timer for 10 minutes when it reaches a low boil. Minor correction, I'm stirring continuously. I don't want this to burn. So, we'll see in a little bit. All right, there's my timer. I'm going to remove it from the heat and allow it to cool to room temperature. Now that the syrup is room temperature, there's one thing left to do, and that is strain, bottle, label, and refrigerate. So, I don't have a very good setup here, but this is what I'm going to do. Give you an idea of what's going on. Note that this does take time, so I'm not going to waste your time by making you watch this, but also note that the stuff that's left over, these little bits of blueberry, is good for something. I mean, they're delicious. I bet you can make a pie with that. Just an idea. So anyway, I've got more to do, but I'll do that off camera. Strain and bottle, label, blueberry, 3/1/1, October 30, 2022.